How to join and leave a subreddit. Want to follow communities you love and leave the ones you don't? Today I will show you how to join and leave subreddits easily. Let's dive in. First things first, open your browser and head to www.reddit.com. Log in if you haven't already. Once you are inside, on the subreddit page, just click the join button near the top right. Once joined, posts from that subreddit will start showing up in your homepage. If you want to leave, go back to the subreddit page. Click the join button again. It will change back to join and you will stop following that community. Bonus tip, you can join as many subreddits as you want, mix and match your interest. And leaving doesn't delete your post or comments, just stops the feed updates. And that's it. Super simple to join and leave subreddits on Reddit. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.